Hi, today we're going to show you how to clean a soft top roof. And if you own a convertible car, the biggest no-no is not to park under trees. So as you can see, guys, this car's been sat underneath a tree, and the moisture from the tree gets into the fibre of the soft top roof and starts to discolor it, turning it green in worst cases. So what do we do to rectify this? Well, we're going to need lots of water for one. We're going to need a concentrated, which I use, a concentrated cleaner. There's many cleaners on the market, but this one that I use is very special, and I'll leave a link in the description that you're able to see and how I clean a soft top roof. So what do we do first? First of all, I'm just gonna tape off the middle of the roof so you can see before and after of one side. So let's get started. So once we've taped off the roof, the first thing you're going to need to do is soak the soft top roof with just water, plain water. This is so we can moisten the fabric, and then we're able to apply our chemicals. I was unable to use a hose pipe. In this case, I had on hand 225 litre jerry cans, which I was able to use to complete this mission. As you can see, first wetting the roof complete. Here, this is one of two of the chemicals. This is a concentrated cleaner. So to use this, you also would need something to mix it in, otherwise you're going to be just putting drops on top of the roof. So if you've got another bottle that you can just fill with water, as you see, and just put a few drops into that bottle, shake it up to make your solution. Now, as I said, I'll leave a link in the description of where you can purchase this chemical. So after shaking up, just apply to the roof. I'm only going to do one side of the roof for the purpose of this video, so you can see a before and an after of the roof. As I said, I will leave a link in the description where you can purchase this product. Now, after applying the solution, you can use a brush similar to a shoe brush, which comes in the package when you purchase the solution. I personally use a drill with a brush attachment, which just makes it easier for myself rather than hand scrubbing. You may need a few applications to complete this process. So we're trying to get out all of the algae that's in the fabric. So the first, we're going to just work the drill brush into the algae parts, cleaning. Don't worry about all the splashes on the side. Once you rinse over, that will all disappear. As you can see, roof is now turning slightly green in places where it's more, can you see right there? These are the areas where it's the green, the tree sap has really gotten into the fabric. Can you see it there? So once we do that for the first application, you see it? Very green. Now this brush attachment is a soft brush, so it's not able to scratch your paintwork, your windows. So then we're going to apply the solution just a little bit more, just to work it in a bit more before we rinse it off. Because as I said, you're going to need to do this maybe 3 times, depending on the amount that you have. I mean, I've seen some roofs that they're completely green, and this is because parking under trees, the moisture from the trees after a while just gets into your roof. If I'm able to give convertible owners one bit of advice, do your best not to park under the trees for long periods of time. So as you can see, concentrated chemical working its magic into the roof. Using the drill just makes the process a little more easier, guys. Can you see the algae on the top coming out? After we rinse that out, we'll take a look and see where we are within the process, and then we'll give it another go. As I said, I'll leave a link in the description where you're able to purchase the drill and all of the products that I use. So, we're going to rinse it off and see where we're at. If you do not have a hose pipe, then as we said, a jerry can with water is sufficient enough. We're going to put on another application in this case and hit it one more time. We still see green, as you can see, and the purpose of this cleaning is to get as much as the green off as possible. They do have chemicals nowadays that you can repaint your sunroof. They work, but I've never had to do that. I've always used this drill and been able to remove the algae from your soft top. So this could turn out to be a long process, but a lot cheaper than replacing a roof between £3,000 and £1,000 depending on the car. So here we're using a soft abrasive pad. This just gets a little deeper into the fiber. It's similar to a washing green pad that you use at home, but not so abrasive. I'll leave a link in the description where you're able to purchase this pad, and this just gets a little deeper into the roof fibers. Those parts of the brush may not. You see it, guys? It's all rolled up. That's just a long roll. I'll leave a link in the description where you're able to purchase it also. As you can see, we'll remove removing a lot more of the algae. It's becoming a lot cleaner. So after we rinse it, we'll see where we're at, and we may need another application. As I said, a lot cheaper than replacing the roof. This is how to clean a convertible roof when you have been parked underneath a tree for a long period of time and the roof has now reached a stage where it is now green. We can bring it back, guys. Do not park under trees. So as you see, just a little bottle. It's about 100 mils or 200 mils. This little bottle is full of the concentrate you need to clean a roof. You may go to those favorite stores and purchase a big bottle, but it's diluted. This one is concentrated, so you know what you're using and how much you can use. And believe me, guys, that little bottle can clean the roof many times over. And you also get the application to seal your roof afterwards. So look where we're at, guys. We're going to do another application. Just go into it one more time, because we can see the results. I have tried many of these store-bought chemicals that come in big bottles of diluted chemical. Well, this one is concentrated, so you get what you pay for. I am not receiving anything from the manufacturer of this chemical, just letting you know this one really works. I'll leave a link in the description where to purchase. So where are we now? Let's rinse off and take a look. Will it need another application? Well, that looks absolutely fantastic, but to a trained eye, it needs another application. So we're going to give it another hit, just a slight small one this time, and then we're going to go over it with the same process, but then we're going to use towels to dry out any chemical that may remain. One thing, you must not make the sun dry it with the chemicals in it. You must get out as much of the chemical as you can, so hence using water or a hose to rinse it out before sealing it. So the same process again, we go over it, use the drill to work its way in, and as I said, all of the chemicals and tools that I use, you'll find a link in the description. And this is the best way to clean a convertible top with remarkable results. Now you must remember, do not leave the suds or chemicals to dry in the roof by the sun. You must rinse it out as much as possible before sealing it. So Even after rinsing it out, if you can use a towel, wipe out the chemicals. Rinse it out as much as possible. As you can see, there's still chemicals in the roof. Rinse it out, use a towel, dry it off, remove all of the residue as possible. Do not leave the sun to dry it out. Once removed, apply the sealant. When the fabric is still damp. Do not apply if the roof is completely dry. Look at those results, guys. Did we do a good job? Let me know. Comments, likes and shares. This is how to clean a soft top car roof. Have a look at the other side and see the difference. Do you remember what it looked like at the beginning? Very patchy. Follow, share, like and subscribe. We're going to go inside and we're going to clean all of this mold away from the seats and from the car mats and prepare this car for sale. That's how much I believe the battery had run flat on this car and left the window ajar, and rainwater seeped in and damaged the seats and obviously the roof. So thank you for watching, guys. Share, like and subscribe. Take a look at that. Amazing results. I believe we have a half and half. There it is, guys. That's the difference. Thank you for your time, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you on the next edition of Safeclean-Walkingtv and how we do it.